for China, it is all related to development. One is shift from high speed growth to high quality growth. That's a very qualitative change according to the 13th five-year plan. It has shifted from the content and the composition from high speed to high quality growth. And second is that I find amazing the way China has lifted millions of people out of poverty. This is a tremendous achievement, a progressively prosperous society. And third is the tremendous achievement in environmental management and environmental conservation. So these three things impressed me the most about China's rapid rise. And under that foreign investment law, the negative list has been further shortened, narrowed down. There is much more open space and option for investment by the foreign investors. These industries like agriculture, IT sectors, these are the priority sectors, or what we call the thrust sectors, which will be the key drivers to economic progress and development. Definitely, this gives a very strong and positive signal for the foreign investor, and there had been lot of incentives like protection of foreign investment, intellectual property protection, patenting. These are very much inducements and incentives for investment, and it gives a clear signal that China is willing to integrate with the world and provide more encouragement and support to the foreign investors. There used to be visits and exchanges of traders, business persons. That's why we call it the Maritime Silk Route and Belt and Road Initiative. There is a maritime in the shipping sector and also land routes. So one route passed through Bangladesh, what is now Bangladesh, and their traders used to come with the silks and luxurious items, traded goods. And historically, we see that there had been exchange of people, trade and goods. And China is one of the oldest civilization in the world, rich heritage. And there are artifacts and traces which can show that we had links with China long time before. We see that under this Belt and Road Initiative, Chinese state-owned enterprises are cooperating in the field of infrastructure, investment, and then we have people-to-people contacts. China Major Bridge Corporation, one of the pioneers and the great companies in China, extended their technical support and assistance for building the bridge, and it took 8 years because it was a very challenging task. The river itself is treacherous. Treacherous means that it changes its course very often and its currents are very strong, and a major part of the money was utilized for river training, embankment, to control the flow and diversion of the rivers, and there is a way called scouring. Scouring also posed a major challenge for the laying of the piles, steel piles. So it's a big challenge to lay the foundation, and it had to go much more deeper in the earth because the river current is very strong. Through scouring, it removes continuously the earth in the bed of the river. So it was a big challenge for us. But of course, our technical expertise, Bangladeshi engineers, consultants, along with our Chinese friends, they sat down and discussed the plan, programs, and researched and studied it, and they could construct this bridge. It was one of the marvels or the feat of engineering in the whole world, and they have all acclaimed it.